So, my dear friends, we are again here on our usual Saturday. On Saturdays, we have definitely a speaking session, but other days there is no certainty of anything. But on Saturday, it has been the tradition of this class from the starting that on every Saturday we have a speaking session, and in this session you are given some topic, and the topic is not fixed, but at the time when you are here, a topic is decided or an idea comes to my mind when I talk to you, then I give that topic to speak. And it is very nice that you all speak. As I have told you that here we have students from 6 months to about 4 years. So today you have to tell your experience. That what is your experience in these classes that you have been taking from the minimum 6 months. But if someone is taking these classes from earlier, so that would be his experience. But his experience would be individual. So now today's topic is clear to you. So and speak frankly so that I can get something from your speaking because it is very useful for us. Your feedback is just like oxygen for me or for anyone. Feedback is a thing by using which we can improve our activities, our work, whatever we are doing. So once we know that, yes, where we started and where we are, and what else, what else should be done to improve in better way. So I think you are ready. Yes, very good. I have got some names. Oh, very good. Rohit, Harsh, Harshit, Priya. Okay. Yes, come on. Rohit.
Yes, sir.
This is the first name. I am starting with Rohit. Yes, come on, Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav. Today I'm going to tell you about my feedback. I have been taking these classes for 3 years, and will take these classes until I feel that I am perfect in this field.
Yes.
As we all know that, everybody has a dream to be perfect in this international language, English,
Mm,
because it is the most important language nowadays. In every field it is used to transfer our opinions and thoughts with our colleagues to make the to make the work cooperative and doing the work with a good energy and connectivity.
mm,
When I started taking these classes, I believed that English is not a good language. We should not learn it. And gradually I started learning this language, and I learned so many things from this language. And now I am not perfect but good in this field and in this language. Every language needs a environment and a family environment for learning that. And I got everything from these classes. Sir gave me that environment, and I learned many things from sir. As not only English, I learned all the things, all the social and cultural things which are required for a person to be a good person, or good and a best person for the country, and for our parents also.
mm,
And at the starting I didn't know anything didn't know anything. And when I see my previous speaking recordings, then I realized that how much I have improved, and I also want to improve much more. And as we know that when we have a great potential to do something with our full concentration and focus, then we definitely achieve that. And that potential is required then potential is given by me to learn this language. And I wanted this language to be the best language I will ever learn in my life. That's it, sir.
Yes, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is my feedback. I have I have been taking these classes for 3 years, and I have learned a lot of things from these classes. I have learned how to speak English, how to read English, how to translate English to Hindi and Hindi to English. Uh, Before taking these classes, I did not know about anything in grammar, or I was not able to
Hmm.
speak. But now I can answer anything in English. And I have learnt a lot of things with the, not only about English but about us, but also about uh, our economy, how to improve economy, how to stand in society, how to stand in group discussions, etc. And this was done by first my sir, who taught me how to read English, how to write English, and how to understand the person's talk who's talking to us. And second, by my potential. Uh, I knew that I can, but it was difficult for me at starting. But after 2 to 3 months, I realized that English is not as hard as I thought.
Hmm.
I think,
Hmm. Shabash, very good.
but
Hmm.
uh, and now I am confident enough to stand in front of anybody who is and can argue with him without any hesitation or anything which distracts a person.
Hmm.
Um, I should I want to recommend a lot of children who are not able to speak English to join these classes because of the familiar behavior of sir with us. He treats us like his own child to us.
Hmm.
Uh, that's it, sir.
Very good. Nice. Shabash, beta. Very good. Shabash. Harshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More, and today's my topic is my experience with these classes. My experience with these classes is very good from the beginning of these classes. I have been taking these classes for more than 3 years, and I have learned many things, and those things are very important in my life, whether it is the academic level or any type of competition level. It is very useful for me. And these classes has given these classes oh, have given me too much have given me many things that which are very useful for my life. And from the beginning of these classes, uh, from the beginning of my journey with these classes, I have been learning English with the full of my potential and the heart. At the beginning of these classes, I knew nothing, and at the time, I thought that English is not an easy subject, and it takes too much time. And at the time, I thought that it would take too much time of me. And at the time, I did not like to take these classes as sir used to scold us. But uh, uh, but after taking these classes for more than uh, 1 to 2 years, I understood that that scold is very important for us to improve ourselves and nice uh, be a nice speaker, listener, and reader in English subject. And
Hmm.
today I'm able to speak and write without any hesitation, as I used uh, uh, as because of this. And there are There are many methods of search which he uses at us, which are very important for us. And in this thing, self writing is very important, and it played a crucial role in making us a nice reader, speaker, and anything. And also, the speaking of Saturday classes. These made us speak so fluently and be able to speak at any type of platform without any type of agitation. So in my view, my experience with these classes is very good, and I would like to continue these classes. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, नाइस स्पीकिंग, वेरी गुड बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, बहुत बढ़िया. एंड नाउ आई थिंक प्रिया, आ जा बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Priya Meena and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's my topic is feedback.
हम्म.
So my earlier position was very bad in English because uh, I don't know about English
ध्यान थोड़ा
and
सा. हम्म.
yes, sir,
वर्क फॉर्म पे फोकस कर बेटा, थोड़ा सा आराम से
I,
बात.
I used to avoid those people who always speak in English and I used to avoid the English I used to avoid also speaking English and I could only speak only broken sentences and after joining these classes af- after joining these classes मुझे लगा कि मैं
इट सीम टू मी.
हाँ, it seemed to me that I can speak in English and English is very easy subject for me and I learned here about tense, sentences and grammar and vocabulary. My vocabulary has been perfect and I had a little hesitation and it सर धीरे धीरे कम हो रही है इसको क्या बोलेंगे
ग्रेजुअली इट इज गोइंग डाउन, इट इज लेसनिंग ग्रेजुअली.
okay
डिक्रीजिंग कर दो, इट इज हाँ.
and it is decreasing day by day and it is now I don't have any hesitation and I can speak English. I can make sentences and write my write my own English method.
हम्म.
And before joining these classes,
हम्म.
I used
बेटा,
रटने को
इटीरेट, आई यूज टू
I
इटीरेट.
I used to iterate the answers of English and speech in English.
हाँ.
Uh, I always I always fear from the English subject and I try to avoid joining my English classes and English class test also.
हाँ. 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 हाँ.
But after these classes, now English is very helpful and easy for me. I can write in English and I can make my own sentence and thoughts and answers also.
हाँ.
Uh, so it is my pleasure that I am the student of Rajesh sir because he is very nice teacher and his teaching methods are very nice. And so opinion, in my opinion, these classes are very helpful and easy for me. That's it, sir.
Very good. बहुत बढ़िया. प्रिया के बाद में महालक्ष्मी.
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujar. Today our topic is feedback. I am telling about my feedback. I have been taking this class since April and I did not know about English language and I I thought that English language is a very hard language and I did not I did not know to speak English chapter, and I did not I did not speak English, and 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 take this class. I learn many things, and I can I can speak writing and many other things. Mm, My I did not know tense, and I had learnt tense, and nowadays sir again start tense, and and we can solve the tense, and by any means I passed the 10th class, and I thought that I had I had chosen English literature
chosen.
due due to learn English more, and
बोलो 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 करो बोलो
but I did not learn English, and I take these classes for learn English, and nowadays I able to speak fluently,
Hmm.
and sir, sir teaches well, and we we learn English with focus, and we we solve all the exercise, and and we I can talk to others in English, and nowadays I got I get good marks in the English subject,
शाबाश
and I think that English language is a not hard language, and that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया वेरी गुड शाबाश मेहनत करते रहो बेटा यस कबीर साहब
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Harvard Online Interactive Classes from West BEdN. Today's my topic is feedback. As we all know that we are taking the classes of Harvard Online Interactive Classes. This is a this is a English class by which we can speak English. Today I tell you the experience of this class. Uh, so I am taking these classes for 6 months,
बोल बेटा
and and I feel very better. I feel very better in English because I can understand many vocabulary words and sentences, etc. Uh, I can understand what is my teachers saying us in English, and I improve my many thing like my many activities like speaking, listening, writing, etc. It is very useful for me, and I think it is very important for everyone because if we listen properly, we can we can write easily and learn it easily. Uh, we can say that the Rajesh ji sir teach us English, but they also teach us many. Uh, अरे सर
हो गया
अरे सर वो उसको क्या कहते हैं सर वो बातें बोल हाँ अच्छी बातों का क्या बोलते हैं
tell us nice things
tell us nice things which is also very useful for everyone, so I think that this is it to tell that this class is the best. Yes, sir, that's it.
Very shabash. Yes, Komal, आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Verma and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from Batch 11. And today our topic is our feedback, and my feedback from these classes are very good, and these classes are very helpful for us, and these classes are also easy to learn English because of Rajiv sir, because his teaching method is always good and easy, and uh, we all know that English is an international language also, and all people have dream that most of the people dream have that we can able to speak English and write English also, and because in the many schools there are not good teachers, and they also teach English as a subject, not a language. But here Rajesh sir teach us English as a language, not a subject. And in the English subject we can learn many things. And here Rajesh sir teaches what is a helping verb, main verb, sentence, tech questions, models, and many things, basic grammar and advanced grammar also. And these things are very helpful for understanding English
Very
subject.
good.
And 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 I can here, and today I am able to speak English and write English and listen English also. And these classes are very helpful for all students. And we all know that uh, English is a language. And I think that English is very hard for me, but here now I can feel that English is very easy. And sir always say that no one is perfect, so I am good in English subject today. And we all know that English, in the English there are many things. And here sir not doesn't teach English subject. He teaches us what is discipline, and how we can improve in our how we can improve us. And sir teaches many things. And sir give us many good methods to learn English. And sir always support us. And and sir gives many good things to learn English. And these classes are very helpful for me, and I am very thankful for sir. That's it, sir.
बेटा वाह यार, तो एकदम है. शाबाश. Very good बेटा. शाबाश बेटा. Yes, and now I think this is the turn of कोमल के बाद यामिनी.
Yes, sir.
आइए मैडम.
Hello, yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Yashashvi Sahu. I'm the student of Ramban English Online Interactive Classes. Today, I'm going to tell you about my experience with these classes. The experience with these classes is like the relation with our family, because in our family we learn how to be a perfect creature in a society, and how to behave, and we get uh, important education about living. As like that, in these classes we get actual mean of education. Our family make us us a perfect creature who live in society, but these classes make us a perfect person in our nation who supports our nations very much. In these classes, and uh, we learn and support and taught our basic education and needs. So this class is important for building my nature. In before coming in this class, I I was very weak in English. I supposed that I couldn't do anything in my life because of this English language. Um, Everyone said me that you are unable to did anything, but after after came in these classes, the Rajitji sir said me that if I continuously did do hard work, I will I will success one day. And now I am able to speak English. I am able to understand what is other man saying towards me. So it is become too easy for me to survive nowadays because and if the Rajitji sir don't if the Rajitji sir didn't motivate to change my medium, I never changed my I did not change my medium. So thank you, Rajesh sir, to motivate me every time. And I want to say, in your classes, I do not learn about English, but also learn about the other things like what is going on in our world, what is known what is known by us, and we do not only get education of our additional books, we 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 have to also know about our surroundings. Thank you, sir. That's it.
शाबाश, very good, बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Yes, now yeah, खुशी आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir.
आराम से
My
बोल.
name,
हाँ, बोल बोल.
my name is Kushi Gujar. I'm I'm from batch 20.
Hmm,
I'm telling my feedback.
hmm,
I was very weak in English language, and I didn't know how to make sentence, and most of the mistakes mm, in reading and writing,
hmm.
and and I thought that English language is so difficult language, but after these classes, uh, I I can make sentence, and I can talk to others,
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया बोल रहे हो, very good.
and I can speak and writing and reading,
Hmm, hmm.
and nowadays mm, I have been I have been learning for 6 months.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया. पर आप बिल्कुल बढ़िया बोल रही है एकदम, कहीं कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, बस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ फोकस कर, बस अपने आप स्पीड आ जाएगी. हाँ. वेरी गुड, ऐसे अरे मत, बिल्कुल नहीं डरना किस बात का है। हाँ।
And sir, sir gives exercise, and I, I complete all exercise, and sir increasing. That's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया, बोल तो रही थी, फिर क्या हो गया? घबराया मत कर, बिल्कुल अच्छा बोल रही थी, और बोल लेती। कोई बात नहीं, बहुत अच्छा, नाइस, परफेक्ट, नाइस परफॉर्मेंस, शाबाश बेटा। हाँ, ऐसे ही होता है बेटा, घबराने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है। जो अपने अचीव किया उस पे अपने को, उससे मोटिवेशन लेना चाहिए अपने को, है। हाँ, सब टाइम लगता है बेटा, चिंता मत करो तुम बिल्कुल भी। बस तुम तो मुझे बता दिया तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम क्या है, बस एक बार बता दिया करो बस। यस, कम ऑन मुस्कान, बच्चे हो तुम लोग हमारे। यू आर नॉट जस्ट अ स्टूडेंट। यस, मुस्कान आ जाओ। मुस्कान, सो गया बेटा? चल आँख खोल, जब तक मैं गौरव को बुलाता हूँ।
Sir,
हाँ, कहाँ गई?
sir आ गई।
कहाँ है, दिख नहीं रही तू?
सर
कैमरा तो चालू कर तू।
सर करती हूँ।
कर बेटा, कर। आ रहे क्या तू?
सर नहीं, सर वो पता बाहर बैठी थी।
तो कोई बात नहीं, बाहर से कर लेती, बाहर बैठी थी तो क्या हो गया?
सर अंदर आ गई।
हाँ बोल बेटा, आराम से बोलना, बिल्कुल मत घबराना, फोकस करके आराम से। हाँ बोल बेटा।
Okay, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am a student of Ramad Online Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today I am telling about my feedback.
शाबाश।
I I taking this class 5 6 months.
हाँ, बोला, घबराए मत, तू बोल।
Before the class, I cannot speak properly, writing writing properly, and I thought English is a very hard language.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है, बोलती है बस ऐसे ही, डरे मत, बोलती रहे, हंसती हुई, मुस्कुराती हुई। हाँ बेटा बोल।
Taking this classes, I can speak properly and speak properly and writing easily.
बोल बोल बोल, बोलती रहे।
I this class I thought English is very easy language in world, and I can speak properly, and Rajesh sir method is very different. This is good method in student life. He is a very honest person. He is very he is teach very honestly. I like this classes. Thank you, sir. That's
शाबाश
it.
बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया, ऐसे बोला कर कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ, है ना? सही भाई, तो मैं करवा दूंगा, अपने आप टेंशन मत कर। कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोला, फोकस करके बोला कर, और ग्रामर पे ध्यान रखा कर थोड़ा सा। क्लास में भी एक्टिव रहा कर तू थोड़ी सी, है ना? सो जाती है तू क्लास में, कल देखा था मैं, तो सो रही थी तू। मुंह मुंह धो के बैठा कर बेटा, नींद आ जाती है, कोई बात नहीं है, बच्चों को कोई बात नहीं है। एक्टिव रहा कर, एकदम फोकस किया कर, बस एकदम एकदम ऐसे किया कर जो दिमाग में हो जाए, बिल्कुल सबसे आगे रहने की कोशिश किया कर तू, समझ गई ना? हाँ, यस गौरव भाई,
Sure.
आजा मेरे हीरो लाल, आजा।
Sure.
चश्मा वश्मा लगा के आज।
Yes, I'm Gaurav Minow. I'm Gaurav Minow. I'm Gaurav Minow of Ramad Online Interactive Classes. My today's topic is my feedback. So, well, I was very a shy guy. Means I was very shy in speaking English in front of people like teachers or in front of elders.
that are big or elder from me, and also I was not very confident in speaking English. I was just thoughting. I just think that I will say something wrong or my performance will be not good. Just that negative things, those negative things. But because but I understood the English before I took the class with help of my elder sister Priya Didi.
Okay.
Well, also she also takes the took the classes, and she is also taking classes now. Fr- from that time to now,
Hmm.
so she also taught me English, and it took me 2 years. Means in Corona COVID time, she taught me English, and that about tenses, passive voice, active voice, helping verb, direct, indirect, object, and that all things.
Hmm.
Well, after joining these classes, first thing I removed from me that was shyness. Now I can confidently give a speech or speak something and other thing. Now, first thing I get from these classes is the confidence
Hmm.
that I gained,
Very good.
and the I cleared all the doubts that I had before. But after, but I don't know that how long will it work. Means how long I will stay in these classes, because as time is going on, so I'm getting into bigger classes, and the pressure is also getting much bigger.
Okay. Nice
I
speaking.
can manage. I can't manage. Even in sixth class, I can't manage. I really don't have any fixed timetable.
Why?
Means
You should have. Okay. Now
I don't
carry on.
know. And if
Now
I
carry
made
on.
a
Okay.
timetable, I
Okay.
will not
Carry on.
follow.
Okay. Carry on.
So that's my problem, and that is because that I'm late, and you can see that I'm late today.
Yes.
Half an hour late.
You are late today.
I was playing.
Yes, you were playing, and I was waiting for you. Hmm.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
Very good. Nice speaking. शाबाश बेटा. मजा आ गया यार. जो कुछ था इसकी खोपड़ी में सब बोल दिया. ऐसा ही होना भी चाहिए. Hmm? This I like. Now, Madhu.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Madhu Kumari Meena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from Batch 20. Today, my topic is my feedback. I joined this class at 29 August, and I have completed 6 months. And first time join this class, I I was I was afraid very much because I don't uh, uh, I don't speak and learn. Sorry, speak and read English, and uh, I don't
Did not.
under, understand in English any sentence, and
शाबाश शाबाश बोलते रहे.
I always try to learn English, but uh, I but I didn't get any result. Uh, then then sir started these classes. I joined these classes. Uh, I first time I realized that these person uh, is these person learn to English easily, and because sir is a very working person, and uh, sir helps always uh, to all students, and he removes our mistakes and increase our ability and capacity.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल, लाओ फ्लो लाओ, इधर इधर, हाँ।
And uh, he developed focus and other abilities in me and other students. um, I'm very happy and satisfied to these classes, and now I I can speak English and read easily in English sentences and phrases and paragraphs, and I can um I can speaking easily, and the help of these classes, I can fight competition level examinations, and I want to give my all credit to sir, because without sir I can I couldn't learn English, and thank you sir so much.
शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया, हो गया काम, चलो, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। यस, नाउ अंजू।
Yes sir. Hello everyone, my name is Anjali. Today I am telling about my feedback in Hindi. I taking सर मिक्स में बोल सकती हूँ ना, कोई
हाँ,
दिक्कत
बोलना
थोड़ी।
आराम से, कोई चिंता नहीं बेटा, तू बोल आराम, बेटा तू
I
बोल आराम से,
taking
कोई टेंशन मत कर, जैसे तेरी मर्जी वैसे बोल। हाँ
ओके सर।
हाँ भाई, बोल आराम से।
इन क्लासों को इंग्लिश क्लास ज्वाइन करने से पहले मेरी इंग्लिश बहुत ही
हाँ जी सर, नमस्कार।
ठीक नहीं थी पहले, फिर बाद में जब सर से
बेटा मैं थोड़ी देर बाद फोन करूँ
सर की क्लासेस मैंने ली तो धीरे धीरे
हाँ,
मुझे
हाँ।
कॉन्फिडेंस आ रहा है अब,
थोड़ी देर में कर,
और
है ना बेटा? हाँ ठीक।
इंग्लिश ग्रामर, स्पीकिंग, लर्निंग, इनमें मैं इम्प्रूव कर रही हूँ धीरे धीरे।
हाँ हाँ, शाबाश, बोल बोल।
पहले मैं जब मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता था तो पहले मैं जो इंग्लिश में बात करते हैं उन लोगों से बचती थी ज्यादातर, और अब धीरे धीरे लग रहा है कि हाँ मैं कर सकती हूँ आराम से, धीरे धीरे इम्प्रूव आ रहा है।
वेरी गुड, शाबाश।
थैंक यू सर। और मुझे लगता है कि इन क्लासों को लेने से इंग्लिश आसानी से सीख सकते हैं, और सर बहुत ही हार्ड वर्किंग पर्सन है। सर के पढ़ाने का तरीका बहुत डिफरेंट है। सर हमारे को हमेशा मोटिवेट करते रहते हैं हर तरीके से कि कैसे लाइफ में आगे बढ़ना है, कैसे पढ़ाई करनी है, डिमोटिवेट नहीं होना है, अगर कुछ आए ना तो कॉन्फिडेंस रखना है।
और क्या। हाँ,
थैंक यू सर, दैट्स इट।
वेरी गुड। लिखना बेटा आप इसको, है ना, इंग्लिश में लिखना बेटा इसको।
ओके
ग्रुप में लिख के डालना, ठीक है, अपने व्हाट्सएप पे लिखना है इसको, ग्रुप में लिख के डालना। कोई बात नहीं है, कोई चिंता नहीं है, सब हो जाएगा। यहाँ तक आ गए तो आगे भी जाएंगे, रुकने वाले थोड़ी है ना बेटा। हाँ, यस काजल।
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Kajal Meena. Today I am telling about my feedback. Uh, I have been taken these classes 29 August. Uh, for taken these classes, um, I I didn't know about English language, and I'm also afraid to English language, and uh, before taking classes, I didn't know about make sentences and paragraph also, and nowadays uh, I make sentences and paragraphs easily, and I'm also speak in English. Uh, my learning capacity is also listening. Sorry, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा,
My
ठीक है।
listening.
हाँ, फोकस कर ले, थोड़ा और फोकस कर ले और टाइट कर ले अपने आप को, अंदर से हो जाएगा, कुछ नहीं है।
Okay, sir. Uh, and these classes are very useful for me, and uh, because Rajesh sir is a best teacher. His teaching method is very unique, and I'm also like this method, and my, and nowadays uh, I'm speak and reading and writing in English. Uh,
बढ़िया बोल रही है,
thank
ऐसे
you.
बोल, कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोल। हाँ, फोकस करके रख, बस पकड़ के रख अंदर से खुद को। हाँ।
Thank you, sir, for teach me. Thank you. That's it.
घबराया मत करो बिल्कुल भी बेटा, डरने से कुछ नहीं, डर बहुत खतरनाक चीज होती है, इसको तुमको निकाल के फेंको, है ना। हाँ, बस
Okay,
फोकस
sir.
फोकस और फोकस करना है, और फोकस करना है। देखो फिर फोकस का जादू कितना शानदार होता है ना। यस रश्मि, रश्मि
Sir. Yes, sir.
अच्छा कर रहे हो आजकल, और उसी तरीके से करना है, ठीक है ना। जल्दबाजी बिल्कुल नहीं करनी है बेटा, बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे बोलना है, ठीक है। आराम
Yes.
से तसल्ली से बोल बेटा।
Good evening, everyone. My name is Rashmi Meena. My topic is my feedback. I have been taking these classes since October. In this class, Rajeshji sir teaches English to us. He is very good teacher. He teaches very well. He's
आराम
math.
से, स्पीड नहीं
He's
बढ़ाना, स्पीड नहीं बढ़ाना, स्पीड नहीं बढ़ाना, आराम से बोल बस। हाँ।
his method of teaching is very good. His way of teaching is very different from other teachers. Before I didn't take these classes, I didn't know how to speak English, but that time I speak English, and I also didn't know. I always forget the tenses, but that time I don't forget the tenses.
दिस टाइम, हाँ बोलो बोलो, घबराओ मत, बोलो।
I translate my books in Hindi. I write answer in English properly in the exams. I don't bore in the classes. My confidence is increasing day by day.
शाबाश, और आराम से, बिल्कुल। हाँ, सांस ले लेके, अच्छे से पॉज ले लेके फिर बोला करो। हाँ बोलो।
I didn't like English uh, before these classes. But I love English after the take class after the take
आफ्टर
take
टेकिंग दिस
class
क्लास, हाँ हाँ।
after the taking these classes. I am very grateful. He is my teacher, and I am very happy after take these classes. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, पहले से बहुत बहुत अच्छे से बोलने लग गई तू अभी ना, और आराम से। घबराए, डरना बिल्कुल नहीं, क्या है जो है उसको अच्छे से बोलने की कोशिश करो बेटा, है ना। शाबाश। और कोई है? सबका हो गया आज? काफी सारे एब्सेंट हैं आज, 1 2 3 4 4 स्टूडेंट्स तो एब्सेंट हैं। ओके चलिए, थैंक यू वेरी मच। और